Subscribe to RA Solutions by clicking on the subscribe button. Hello there, welcome to another video about RA Solutions. In this video what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to update your computer, how to update to the latest updates on Windows 10. Now one of the ways to do this is at the bottom here on my taskbar I've got a settings icon, but if you haven't got this settings icon here, in the search box here you can type in settings and it will load up the settings page there. Click on that and it will take you to the settings page. This is a pop-up that will appear which will be titled Windows Settings. Now in Windows Settings what you need to do is go down to where it says Update and Security. So Update and Security, it will have Windows Update option, Recovery option, Backup option. If you click on that it will take you to another screen with lots of different options here on the left side. Now the two we're going to focus on today are the one that says Windows Update and Windows Security. If I focus on Windows Security first, click on that. Now what that will do, that will open up, you can check to see whether your virus and threat protection is up to date, your account is up to date, your firewall is up to date, your network protection for your computer, your PC is up to date. If you don't think it is, you can click on the Open Windows Defender Security Center, and what it will do, it will double check your computer to say whether each bit of your computer is up to date. As you can see with mine, the virus and the threat protection is up to date. I don't need to do anything there. I don't need to do anything there, and for each of them I do not need to do anything there. But if you haven't used your computer for a while, you've been on holiday, you're coming back, this is something which you would need to update to make sure you've got the latest patches and updates to help you scan for the latest viruses. If I close that screen, and the one I'm going to focus on for this video is Windows Update here. So at the moment my window is up to date. It was last checked today at 7:07. But if you want to force an update, you can click on this button to allow the computer to check the internet to see whether there are any further updates to the computer. So whilst it's doing the check, we're going to wait and see whether it's found any updates for the computer. What it's done, it's found some updates on my computer. So now at the moment it's updating a new version of Windows here, pending an install. Here it's found a new security patch here, one for Office, one for Outlook, another one for Office there. So obviously that is a quick and easy way to check or to force an update on your computer if you haven't already done so. At the moment this is installing, so once it's installed, what you will need to do, or the best thing to do, is do a restart on your computer once it's installed all the necessary updates. I hope that's been helpful. I hope you've learnt how to force an update on your computer to the latest Windows 10, the latest security patches on your computer. Please like, subscribe and share.